in Asia, we also wonder why the price in the morning of the crypto is up, but at night in Asia is down. We have so many different explanations, because if the traditional market is down, some of the investors have some profits from crypto market. They can sell in crypto market, and they jump into the traditional market. That will make the balance between the between two market, and it's with that balance. When this market down, the other market will be down soon. Yeah, that is one of my own explanation about why crypto market is down together with the traditional market, and it may help some of the other investors. They can balance their profits and loss. They don't lose much, or they don't and they don't want to take much risk on the why they are on the traditional market, or why they are on in the crypto market. Yeah, because they can balance their account sheet like that. Okay, now let's back with some of the article about that means during the Binance sale. Yeah, a lot of people they feel very worried. They ask us, they message us on some of the channel. They ask, oh, why the price go down? Should I sell or should I hold more? And then yeah, a lot of friends they ask, and I also suggest that if you feel you want to jump out of the market, you can carry on with this. Yeah, let me see some of the, and here is the retail trader catalyze. Let's speak on, because with the retail trader, they want to hold and order because based on the report it says some of the retail holders they still keep hold the coin, because they when the price crash, they may receive more and more crypto than the other. If you sell Apple, you accept some of the crypto, and when the customer they purchase $1 of the apples based on the crypto, of course you will receive more crypto than previously. So the retail holder they also hold a large amount of the crypto, and some of the traders they also rush the exchange, and it's make so many exchanges like the Binance, the Canon, and the other exchange got lag. It slow down the exchange. Yeah, you also can see a few days ago some of the investors they cannot go into the exchange to buy at the dip. They cannot buy or sell the coin. Yeah, and we can see the next article is Binance Biden.
Biden. Different from Binance, huh?
Yeah. Biden.
Tax plans again.
Yeah, that's right. If you trade for over 10K of crypto, you need to be reported to IRS.
Wow, what great democracy that is.
Yeah. Because this is the new law from President U.S. Treasury Department, and that's the way for some of the IRS they can manage their citizens to get tax from them. They try to steal more and more profits from citizens. Yeah. Okay, and the next one. This about some of the school they give. That means when they see when they see the market down, and they give the gifts as a donation, because they see some of the students they had bought some of the coin at the peak, as around 65,000. Yeah, and the one business school, 5 million Bitcoin donation he give. This from the anonymous donor.
Yeah,
Yeah, because
probably alumni or something like that.
yeah, this is a nice news when some of the donor I also think this donor is maybe some of the trip donor, and he want to encourage the student to use crypto. Yeah, and,
Yeah.
and I also see some of the YouTuber don't know about the Bitcoin cryptocurrency, also show their fear about the cryptocurrency when the price down, because they cannot see opportunity in this. Yeah,
Yeah, actually, when you look at it, be it cryptocurrency, or fiat stock market, whenever there's a downside, people start to have fear. You know, that 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 that's irregard whether it is crypto or it is stock market in the fiat stock market. Yeah.
yeah,
So the thing is, the key thing is that when anything that goes down, it worries people. So of course, they'll, like what some of the article
yeah,
mentioned earlier. So there are people who go into the panic sale mode. Mode. They look at the price going down. They they got a sudden panic attack. So they start to sell, and that is when the price keep going down, and that is the time when the whales keep laughing. You know, the whales look at all these people selling. They're like, my opportunity is back. I can now sweep the market back. Oh, yeah. So, is there any more feedback? No, right? Yeah. So this whale will look at it and start to sweep by.
yeah,
Yeah. So that's when they actually, imagine they buy back in at 30,000 in the last
yeah,
2 days.
yeah. That's right.
Immediately, they now it's 40,000, right?
Yeah, now 40,000 also.
Yeah.
Can,
So if they buy 1,000 Bitcoin, that
yeah,
is how much? If they
$50.
want to buy 10,000 Bitcoin,
Yeah,
100,000 Bitcoin, or 1 million Bitcoin. So these whales are playing this kind of game,
yeah,
which commoners will not be able to afford. So of course, this fear factor in a lot of entry investors or small ticket investors, is this panic sell mode is more dominant in among those who holds very little and who get worried easily. Of course, I myself, when the market went down to here 1 week ago, I bought
yeah,
some at 49,000. Remember? Then after that, it went down. So you have to hold. If
yeah.
I
Of course.
sell now, I'll be losing
Yeah, that's
10,000
right. Yeah.
margin. Yeah.
Okay. Let
So
me continue with the other article
yeah,
in
back to you.
Major League Soccer launching first NFT, because we also can see during the downtrend there's some of the other token go up, like the Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, AC Milan. They all they fund up their token. So some of the token is up during the downtrend. Yeah, and here's so many list. That means the football list they choose this NFT token because they can see this very potential part for uh for for more profits for the leagues. And next one is like so many people want about the cryptocurrency. Now we see in the Bank of the Canada also have some of the FUD news share invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum is risk. and they say like that and make the markets worse. Yeah, here's some of the news say that the because they afraid the value of the Bitcoin Ethereum is hard to establish because maybe they need to wait. They need to see how's the reaction from the other country with the cryptocurrency. Yeah, and now when the price market is back to 40,000 plus, and we can see uh, people still hold, and they also have a little bit of worry. But of course, this this downtrend is an opportunity for some of the people. They have the cash available to jump into the market, and we need to know that in cryptocurrency with the volatile of the coin is an opportunity, and it's also have the risk. And that's why some of the traders they when they jump into the market, they need to know that they need to use their available cash. It's not take from the loan or the other thing. Yeah, and here's the suggestion from the charter. They say about the crypto bank charter should be resist because of the crash recently on the Black Wednesday. Because some of the institutes they come up and they think they should make the crypto bank. Of course, the crypto bank now we do the DeFi, and some of the people they do the so many transactions, and they store the value, they earn, they farming, they stacking, they get a lot of profits based on the DeFi. Not is also similar with the banking system nowadays, but it's more relaxable. If you have 1,000 or 10,000, you want to put in the bank for profits. Now you can own into uh, the DeFi and stacking there 1 year. You also still can have profits like the percentage of the bank. But in crypto, if you assemble some, let me show some of the stacking. If you stack, uh, I see stack on the stack where where I stack. It's year finance. Some of the people they stack on the curve. The I also forget. Some of the stacking system, the people they put in the curve reverse like this, and they go to the. Let me go to the stacking here. Invest. Oh, some of the people they earn in this. They can get some of the percentage, like 13%. It's made double. It's double than if you put in the bank, traditional bank. And also you also can stack Bitcoin. Some of the other coins, of course you earn 2%. 1 year is
So this staking seems like a little bit like fixed deposit kind of thing.
Yeah, that's right. And some of the people they have the feeling that they can put instead of put the money in the bank, they can put money in the crypto. And within the DeFi, they also need to learn some of the basic thing that if you stack crypto, you need to take care of your own asset. That means your wallet. If you lost your wallet, you lost everything. Yeah. So this thing need to know about the MetaMask, you know about some of the other trust wallet. When you send the crypto in, and you need to take care of this well. Yeah, that's some of a brief information to explain, to say something about how the crypto market crashed and its rebounds on the Black Wednesday. And let's discuss to see how's about the market. This is the news on CNBC about the crypto after our Bitcoin recover. Yeah, it's all in, and then we can see all information in here on the traditional market. Yeah, the stock market has rebound, has recovered, and we see it on the trading views.
This is Nasdaq, right?
Yeah,
Stock market, yeah.
yeah, stock Nasdaq. And a lot of people, a lot of audience thinking and need to ask, they ask us something about, let us to see how about the market this day, how's the crypto market. So let's see and have a look. This is Bitcoin USD for one day, and I try to use the Fibonacci retracement, and we also can discuss about more this. Yeah, some up. We see the Bollinger Band. Yeah, the Bollinger Band is open. The band's open more about this. Yeah, it's opportunity now, so we can see because the based on the line. Yeah, we see the red line. The red line is the Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin need to test so many resistance as a level of 45,000. Yeah, it need to reach about 45,000. So we can see it will go in the sideways it's go sideways to hit the 45,000 resistance, so it can move up to 55,000. Otherwise, it may go down. It may in the downtrend. All the factor is also rely on the traditional market. That is,
I think it's pretty much reliant on how confident investors are in the fiat market, traditional stock market.
Yeah.
So if they are very confident there, then they can put some money here and they also transfer that kind of confidence over here. So of course, like Richard had mentioned, the price may go sideways,
yeah,
at this current point of time.
It may go sideways and it may hit. If I choose to the 4 hour time, we can see within 4 hours the price may hit around 42,000 to 44,000.
Yeah.
And we check with the Bitcoin dominant. Bitcoin dominant now is 42,000, 42%. It means that yes, during the crash of the crypto, yeah. Today now is 16 or 16 5 16. Oh, this not. Let me check. Oh, time highs. Okay, one day. I checked the one day. The dominant of the Bitcoin now is 42,000, 37. Yeah. So it's also need time for the dominant of Bitcoin maybe to 45. 42%. This may wait for the Bitcoin dominant back to around 45 to 50%. So now the market is also can recover more because some of the other projects, the other crypto people, they move the money. We say the money flow, move their money to alternative coin to earn more, to get more profits. than put in the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin sometimes we can see it's so slow to get the profits. Yeah, that's the reason why some of my other friend, the other investor, they jump up Bitcoin asset when the price around 57, because they think, oh, it's not moving fast, so they
Yeah,
yeah yeah
I felt that too. When it hits 50 to 57 to 58, I'm thinking like, wow, it takes it. I don't know. The tortoise is faster than the rabbit now.
yeah
Yeah. So uh, at that point of time, like what Richard just mentioned, a lot of people would choose to go and invest in alternative coins
yeah
where the movement is much quicker and the margin is much higher. So with that in mind, once you invest in something, of course, if you earn in Bitcoin and then it reach a certain price, right, it just stopping there, going sideways. So you may want to consider buying some altcoins. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, so I think a lot of people make a lot of money from altcoin instead of Bitcoin.
Yeah, that's right. But
Yeah.
they don't know some if the Bitcoin go down, all
Hmm.
the church, that means all the altcoin also lose, also suffer
Yeah,
from
I think the margin of earning is more, but of course I'll advise them not to be so greedy.
yeah yeah
Once you earn something, you know that Bitcoin is still staying there. Maybe it's about time you let go. Or, but if it keeps going up, don't feel bad. You already earned something.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
That's the reason why when the market go down, uh, some of my friends, some of my people surround me asking, oh, should I jump up the market? Should I take a loss? And I just said that if you don't sell, you still hold, because amount of the coin is still there. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you have one BNB, when the market is down, you still have one BNB.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly,
yeah,
exactly.
yeah,
So uh, if you buy, let's say if you buy at 50,000, it goes down to 40,000. You have to hodl, right? So until the price go back to 50,000 again. Same thing with Ethereum and all this. So if you bought at 30,000, I mean, not 3,000, not 30,000 Ethereum. So if you bought at 3,000 and then it goes down to 2,000 plus, of course, you can sell it and lose money, but you can hold it until you go back up again. Because um, if we look at how Ethereum and Bitcoin and BNB and some of the more popular
yeah,
cryptocurrencies, once they go down to a very low point, they are not the whales will not allow them to go down even further. They'll just keep buying in, and then slowly the price will climb up. Yeah.
And now in the chart, we all can see it's going to break the resistance 42,000. It may
Yeah.
hit the next resistance 44,000 soon. Yeah, I
Sounds
I
like good news.
yeah, within for our charts. Yeah, yeah, that is
Yeah.
a good news, because we see the volume nowadays. Today, the volume buying, a lot of volume buying here. One, two,
Yeah.
three.
A
Yeah,
lot of buy.
yeah. Yeah, that's a good news, and I think it's a signal. It's a good signal to let the new investor, when they jump in the market, they need to do more research and be confident. Yeah, when they hold and they keep the other alternative coin and some other cryptocurrency. And remember, Bitcoin is still in the list of the cryptocurrency. If the Bitcoin go down, all the total market may be locked. So
Yeah.
just think that, yeah. But sometimes invest in Bitcoin is a little bit slow. It need take time
Yeah.
and
Of
something
course.
like that. Yeah, yeah. It's
for just bear in mind, for all you new investors and all this, crypto market is similar to fiat stock market in a
Yes.
sense that
Yeah.
there will always be up and down. So if you think that a lot of people has lost a lot of money in crypto, yeah, true, but a lot of money has lost a lot, even more money in stock market, the
Yeah.
traditional stock market as well. So, but that doesn't stop people from investing in stocks. Yeah. So, of course, crypto market right now, Bitcoin was came out in 2008. So a lot of exchange came after that. They a lot of companies they start new exchanges and all this, and then you see people start trading in Bitcoin. So the age of crypto trading is still very young,
Yeah, that's
but
right.
but there's a lot of room to improve, because it's young.
Yeah.
So the age of traditional, traditional stock market has been around for like what 150 years, something like
100
that.
years ago, yeah.
Yeah.
100
Yeah.
years.
So of course, over the 150 years, you see Great Depression, you see this, you see that, you see 2008 crisis, you see 97 crisis, you see a lot of crisis. Yeah, but still, people are confident in a certain point of the market and they continue to invest. Yeah, so crypto market is a little bit like that. Yeah, so if you think along this similar fashion, similar minds with a similar mindset, I think you'll
Yeah.
be able to earn a lot of money in crypto. Yeah.
Yeah, one of the other opinion, they also say that Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency is hard to manipulate. Yeah, it's hard to,
How to
but
manipulate? Yeah.
but some of the other opinions say that, oh, if you are the big whales, you can manipulate the market. For example,
Well,
you hold a large amount of crypto, you want to dump the price. It can be possible. Yeah.
yeah.
However, I think in the crypto market, it's not under any regulation of any country.
Yeah.
It means that you 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 can be a trader in China, US, and all the around the world, and you can trade 24/7. It's hard to manipulate because in the different time frame, uh, when if you are the big whales in Asia, you can dump the price at this moment, but in the other market, in the other side of the earth, the people are still sleeping, um, and they cannot get a signal from the big wave. So when the price dump, it may take time for the other can get it, can be panic. That is some of the way to make the panic, to make uh, the the price to go down in order to earn the profits at that moment. Yeah. So it's so hard. It's so hard, but it's also not so. It's so hard, but it's also not be easy.
Yeah.
It's also be easy to dump the price or to get earn the profits because in the crypto market there are so many people around the world and can trade at the same time, so they can sell the market anytime. They can sell the market anytime, anywhere. But in traditional market, only the country
Yeah.
they can sell, not that means some of the trader in US they only can buy and trade and sell the stock market in US, but it also have the little bit effect. That means it's look like the butterfly effect. Small change is also can make a big impact.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm not too sure about this locale of investors. Like for example, if you are only in US, then you can buy. I'm not too sure about that. But what I'm pretty sure is that more and more people are getting to know cryptocurrency. Yeah, that's for sure. When there are more people getting exposed and getting on the railroad of crypto and learn a lot about crypto, they will start to put some money and invest and try out, and then they'll start to read up on a lot of things, and then you see they'll start telling their friends, and then it's just going to grow. So have patience, so because we, the crypto community right now, we are like what, less than 0.5% of world population.
That's right.
Of the world's population. So of course, those stock market guys, the whole world knows about stock market, but crypto, a lot of people know, but very few people are getting into it. So but the number is growing. So once the number grows bigger and bigger, so there you have it. You have a larger community, a larger pool of resources in terms of perspective, in terms of experience in investment. And I would definitely be able to say that 80% to 90% of all these new people that come into cryptocurrency market have experience in buying and selling stocks in the traditional market, fiat market. So because they have experience there and they come here, there's already a preset thinking of how a crypto market should move. And then, of course, anyway, this crypto market is started by people who has been experienced in traditional market as well, right?
That's right.
So the thing is, the key thing to bring back home today is that more people are getting exposed to cryptocurrency. In fact, my brother, he seldom talk about cryptocurrency. So yesterday he started to talk to me about this Bitcoin mining pool, So I was like, oh, that is good. You go and check it out.
Because I also have a friend he in Australia too. He also asked about how to set up the mining pool, because in Australia they can use the green energy, they use the solar, they can use the soft energy like with the nuclear shelters, and because they also have the large farm with a nice environment, and set up the mining pool in Australia. It's also the good choice, because a few years ago I also I hear some of the farmer in Australia, they can set up the pool there in Ireland, in Australia, and in so many countries can do the mining pool. And if the if you want to invest into the pool, some of the succession, they says need to invest at least 5 or 10 mining rigs, mining device to get more and more profits, because with only one single device, it's so hard to earn. It's so hard to get. I also try to do the solo mining, and also may not get enough profits, because it may take me around 1 week to earn $10. It's
But this, at least you're earning.
But 1 week to earn the $10, you need to set your machine run 24/7.
24/7.
That means it's waste a lot of energy. It's not
a lot of energy.
That's why it's better to set up with the pool and do the thing in large area, and with the electricity, strong internet. That's enough. Then we can. And now I think it's time for us to say goodbye, to end the live stream this early morning. A topic about Bitcoin back above 40K after biggest crash in more than a year. And now it's recover market. The market's recovered since on next Wednesday. Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see you all again soon.
Yeah. See you in our next live stream. Have a nice day.
Yeah. Thank you all for joining us. Take care, invest safely, and do some research. And of course, don't panic when things go downhill.
Yeah.
Yeah. So always read up on a lot of developments that's going on in the coin that you are interested in. Yeah, that's very important. Bye. So long time never